All right, so this will be update 3, 4, something like that. But yeah, about done. Got everything about situated that I wanted to. So this will be the last update before I do tear down and get some powder and Cerakote going. But she's sitting good. I got all the little stuff worked in there that I wanted to. Just a little bit more work, like on wiring and shit. I'm trying to get it a little neater. I don't know why. I'm very OCD about it, so I'm going to try to get it all to tuck in the best I can. I've been shortening stuff and trying to get it in there a lot nicer than it is. But yeah, she's pretty much together. I spent a lot of time reworking the sparks. It was pretty friggin' nasty from when I had it, and pretty much rebuilt the whole thing. So that took me a little while, but got all the hoses. Pretty much got a new kit for a CRF, a TRX, a couple earlier model CRFs, and got everything to get in there pretty decent. So it all sits in there, doesn't hit the pipe at all. It's ran pretty good. Got the top one that runs through. Don't mind the wiring. I kind of got it all just tagged and tossed in there the way it sits now. But I'm gonna end up shortening all like the ones that come down in and everything. I got them all marked out. I'm gonna shorten them just so I don't have as much of a mess to shove into that pocket. Carburetor, I did have to cut it down. I'm using a TRX carb, so it's a FCR, so that was a little process. I still haven't cut the plastic piece, but got the tank on, and it was hitting in that back piece, so I just heated it up, folded it in. So now it clears. Other than that, I made a little dash piece. I'm just gonna weld this front piece on. It'll make like a little dash, I guess. But keys in there nice. I threw the overheat light. I don't know if I'm gonna actually end up hooking it up or blanking it. I don't know yet. But that's on. CDI I put in the front. And I think that was really it. Everything else is on there. So yeah, time for ripping it down and start powder coating some stuff up. Hopefully I have this thing together January, February time. Start doing some tuning and test riding and hopefully get it ready for the track. I really want to take this out this year. I'm going to definitely do the best I can to get it out. All right, this should be the last update. Hopefully the next one will be, actual assembly. Stay tuned. Hopefully get another one up for you guys pretty soon. All right, everyone have a great Christmas.